Picture this. You're sipping Assyrtiko wine as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of pink and gold. The iconic blue domes of Santorini glow in the twilight, and the Aegean Sea stretches endlessly before you. This isn't just a postcard, it's reality. Welcome to Santorini, Greece, the island of dreams. Today, on Azure Getaways, we're diving deep into this paradise. Where to stay, what to eat, and the secrets most tourists miss. Let's go. First, where should you stay? Santorini's towns are like something out of a fairy tale, but each has its own vibe. Let's break it down. Oia is the most famous. Think luxury cave hotels, infinity pools, and those insta-famous sunset views. But it comes with a price tag. For a splurge, book Katikis Hotel or Cannabis Oia Suites. Budget tip? Stay in Phoenicia, a quiet village just a 10-minute walk from Oia, where guest houses like Kalos Villa. Fira is Santorini's bustling capital. Here you'll find nightlife, shopping, and tango bar, a cliffside spot with killer views. Hotels like Astra Suites offer caldera views, or go budget with Costa's Villa. For an authentic, crowd-free experience, head to Pyrgos. This medieval village has winding streets, family-run tavernas, and Santorini Sky Hotel with panoramic pools. Plus, it's home to the island's oldest castle. Santorini's beaches aren't your typical powdery paradise. They're dramatic, volcanic, and full of surprises. Named for its rust-colored cliffs, this beach is a must-see. Park at Akrotiri and hike 10 minutes down. Arrive early. It gets packed by noon. For sunbeds and beach bars, hit Kamari. Try yalos for seafood right on the sand. Budget hack? Rent a $5 umbrella at Parissa Beach instead. It's quieter. Accessible only by boat from Akrotiri, this secluded cove is perfect for snorkeling. Pack lunch. There's no restaurant. Santorini's food is as memorable as its views. Here's what you must try. Start with fava, a creamy yellow split pea dip, and Tomatokeftedes, best at Taverna Katina in Amudi Bay. For fresh seafood, Dimitri's Amudi Taverna is legendary. Santorini's volcanic soil makes unique wines. Sip Assyrtiko at Santo Wines or Veneziano's Winery for cliffside vibes. Beyond the postcard spots, Santorini hides ancient secrets. Dubbed Minoan Pompeii, this 3,600-year-old city was preserved in volcanic ash. For epic sunrise views, trek to Skaros Rock. You'll have the caldera all to yourself. Santorini can be expensive, but here's how to save. Visit in May or September. Hotels drop 50%. Eat inland. Tavernas in Megalokori are half the price of Oya. Rent an ATV, 25 euros per day, instead of taxis 30 euros per ride. Santorini isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. Whether you're here for romance, adventure, or pure relaxation, this island will steal your heart. Which town would you stay in? Oya, Fira, or hidden Pyrgos? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more dream getaways. Until next time, keep chasing Azure horizons.